I'm gonna show you a trading method that no one else will ever show you on TikTok because they don't know how to do this kind of stuff. And no, it's not technical analysis, so get away from the chart. What I like to do is called fundamental research, where I'm looking at three key things: how the company is doing, what its competitors are doing, and how the macroeconomic state of the world is at the moment. So here's a really good example of a trade we did recently using these three things. So I noticed the other day that a company CEO sold 100% of their ownership stake, and I was able to do this by using one of the websites that I like to use. So here I noticed this CEO sold 100% of their shares. And I also knew that earnings were coming up. So I told all my members on our Discord, hey, this sounds very bearish to me that a company CEO would sell all their shares. So one of our members decided to follow along with my research and buy puts, which means they were betting on the stock going down. And as you guys can see on the screen, because it went down, they were able to lock in 138% gains in just one day. And that was all because I noticed that the CEO sold all their shares. Now, it's simple things like this that will get you profitable. If you guys want to learn more, click a follow, and I'll talk to you guys soon.